From Singapore, one can easily continue vacationing in another country by regional air, sea, or land travel. For this episode, we, the Happy Pinoy Travelers, Bryan and Aleth, will show you how easy it is to get to LEGOLAND Malaysia, a place built for families and kids at heart. To save time and effort, we asked our trusted travel agent to book us a complete package that included hotel accommodations and transfers from Singapore to Malaysia by bus and back to Singapore by private transfer so we can see the difference. Hang on till the end for the details. Remember to like and subscribe to the Happy Pinoy Traveler YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook to stay updated with our new travel happy videos. On the well-paved transnational highway from Singapore, it only took us 2 to 3 hours by bus to get to Johor Bahru or JB. It is the closest Malaysian state from the border compared to the 6 to 7 hours travel time to get to Kuala Lumpur. Details about the bus will be on our next video. As we passed through the border, we alighted from the bus twice. Once at the Singapore immigration with our passports for departure from Singapore, and the second at the Malaysian immigration with our personal belongings, completed Malaysian arrival cards made within 72 hours of getting there, and our passports for arrival proceedings. Awesome awaits as the bus made its way from the border to LEGOLAND Malaysia. We arrived at the drop-off outside the resort and walked a few minutes to the security check. If you're staying overnight at LEGOLAND Hotel, inform the guard on duty that you're checking in to avoid the extra trouble of opening your luggage for inspection. One of 2 LEGOLAND resorts in Asia, the Malaysia Resort is home to the most successful rides, slides, shows, and attractions from LEGOLAND parks worldwide. It has the same area of more than 50 full-size football fields, housing over 80 rides, live shows, and attractions, containing more than 15,000 LEGO models made from over 60 million LEGO bricks scattered throughout LEGOLAND Park, LEGOLAND Water Park, Sea Life Malaysia, and LEGOLAND Hotel. Opened in 2013, LEGOLAND Hotel has 263 rooms on 7 floors. The lobby is a LEGO dream come true with a full-sized LEGO castle and a LEGO pirate ship. Upon checking at the reception counters behind the pirate ship, we just needed to present our passports, pay the Malaysian tourism tax, and pay a security deposit. After which, we were given our welcome note with LEGOLAND discount coupons that we could use during our stay. Another thing worth mentioning is that the standard check-in here is at 4 p.m. for the keycard issuance. This is to provide ample time for the cleaning staff to make sure that there are no LEGO blocks scattered around the room that guests can accidentally step on. Because of the late check-in time, a luggage storage facility is adjacent to the lobby to keep your things, so you can roam around the humongous resort with the parks just a few steps away. Please note that LEGOLAND Park is closed on Wednesdays and LEGOLAND Water Park is closed on Tuesdays for maintenance. There is a party in the elevator going to the rooms complete with lights, and you will sing your heart out just like we did. If you think that was awesome, the elevator is just a prelude to what comes next, the room.
Hello, Happy Pinoy Travelers, and welcome to Johor Bahru here in Malaysia. Johor Bahru, or JB for short, is about 3 to 4 hours by land from Singapore. I'm Aleth, and I'm here to check out this pirate theme room here in LEGOLAND. So, when you go in the room, and to the left is the bathroom. There's a sink with a water refilling area. There's the shower with the hot and cold running water, complete with toiletries, towels, and there's the toilet with a bidet. There's a sink, another sink for adults this time, together with the small cups, the big cups, and other accessories and other towels. To the right from the door, there is a safe, a flashlight, the water kettle with coffee, tea, and creamer for the day. There's a box of Lego. And over here, there are the robes, the hangers, and slippers for both adults and kids. There's a place where you can put your luggage. Monkey King. There's a TV and 3 beds. One on top, one in the middle, and one in the basement. And then, if you think, there's another area in this room. Surprise! There's the main bedroom with its own giant TV, a refrigerator. There's the pirate game, which we'll show you later. There's a writing area, a sitting area, a view of the castle, and a king-size bed. So, come on, let's go to Johor Bahru, enjoy Legoland, another time to see Malaysia. So, see you on your next Travel Happy.
The room in the hotel can accommodate a small family of 2 adults and 3 kids. Our pirate themed room has a spacious ensuite bathroom with 2 sink heights for adults and kids. A drinking water filter system to refill your water bottles because single-use plastics have been minimized. Vanity kits, basic toiletries, shower gel, towels in various sizes, and a toilet with a bidet. The room has 2 areas. The kids area that has a bunk bed with a pull-out, a TV, extra pillows, plush Legoland bathrobes, slippers for both adults and kids, a digital safe, an electric kettle, coffee and tea, a box of Lego blocks, a steam iron, and a treasure box which, if you unlock, rewards you with a surprise gift. And the adults area features another TV, a hairdryer, a mini refrigerator, and the treasure map you need to follow to open the treasure box. Also, bring an electric adapter for your gadgets as some sockets are the 3-pronged Malaysia type. There are dedicated Lego play areas everywhere, like the one in the hotel near Brick's Family Restaurant. This food outlet is where hotel guests can have their buffet breakfast, which has a wide range of choices unseen in most hotels. There are many choices for both kids and adults alike. Continental, kids' favorites, fruits, salads, Malaysian food, and a long line of pastries, desserts, and drinks. The family-oriented hotel has mommy rooms for babies, a store where you can buy all the Lego stuff you need that you weren't able to get in the parks, and a roof deck pool. Legoland is one of many points of interest in Johor Bahru or JB. We also went to the sprawling Johor Premium Outlets or JPO, which houses 150 brands. It is accessible in 20 to 30 minutes by Grab. Here, you can save 25 to 65% on items from well-known sports and luxury brands to bring home as pasalubong or add to your wardrobe. It will be a highlight for the adults when going to JB.
Hey, so we're about to leave Legoland. But before you leave, don't forget, this is the Monkey King, and he has a treasure kept inside all the pirate-themed rooms. You're supposed to answer this quiz, and with the numbers, it will create a code that will open his secret box. I put the code here, but I won't show you. So, let's try it. Treasure, treasure. Look what I have. Ta-da! Lego. Some things that I can take home. So don't forget, travel happy, have more fun here at Legoland. See you soon.
Our trusted travel agent also arranged a private transfer when we returned to Singapore. We were conveniently picked up at the Legoland lobby. This way was more relaxed. An hour and a half of travel time was faster and less hassle than riding the bus since we didn't have to go down the vehicle anytime during the immigration process on both the Malaysian and Singaporean sides. They just checked our passports and the completed Singapore arrival cards. ALBRESSA Travel assisted us in every step of the way and ensured everything was in order. Find ALBRESSA Travel on Facebook to explore their other exciting destinations and complete travel services. You may find the link in the description. LEGOLAND Malaysia Resort is a treat for both kids and adults. We enjoyed it as much as the children who came in groups. All details for all ages have been covered and updated frequently. They made sure that there was something for everyone to begin imagining and make families travel happy. Remember to like and subscribe to the Happy Pinoy Traveler YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook to stay updated with our new travel happy videos.